Okay, so first let's talk about podcasting. You may have already heard about podcasts, or even subscribed to podcasts from your favorite radio programs, websites, or other sources, but you might not realize how it got there, or why it's always, hopefully, been so easy to access your most recent downloads. So let's jump back for a bit and talk about what podcasting is. The term podcast was first used in 2004, and it's a combination of the acronym POD, which stands for Playable on Demand, and broadcast. The term podcast actually predates Apple's iPod, and while many podcasts are listened on iPods, there are quite a few other media playback devices that can also play podcasts, so don't necessarily think that the two are exclusively related. Now, regarding the last part of the word, podcasts aren't actually broadcast. Rather, they're recorded, often edited, and then made available for download. Podcasts are usually accompanied by a subscription-based retrieval made possible by an RSS feed. Most of the time, they're totally free. The real draw of podcasts is that with the right software, like iTunes, you can publish audio and video content that interested listeners can subscribe to and listen to or watch at their convenience without having to go to the website to physically download it. This efficient push of content out to listeners and viewers is really the major selling point of podcasts.